doing the exercise of chapter number 2, formulas and functions in MS Excel. Okay, we are supposed to finish that. For that, I'm going to share my screen. Just wait for 1-2 minutes. There are so less number of students in your class and all are coming late. Okay, let's begin with the exercise. I'm going to share my screen. Two exercises that we had done yesterday also. So I'm going to begin with the from beginning. Formulas and functions in MS Excel. First, we had done the tick the correct one. Okay, let's check them also and revise them. Which function display the current date? You can unmute yourself to give answers. Which display the current date? Today. Okay, correct. It is today. Which function display the minimum value? Min. Which cell reference is an example of absolute cell reference? $1. Correct. To modify a formula, use dash F2. A cell range is always separated by a colon. Okay. All of these things we had done. Okay, next is fill in the blanks. A cell address is also known as cell reference. Okay. A group of adjacent cells is called a range of cells. All of you had written these blanks in your book?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. A formula always begins with
Equal sign.
equal to sign. A dash is a predefined formula.
Function.
Okay. A dash function returns the largest value. Max. Okay, correct. Next. Right, true or false? These we were supposed to do today. Okay, कल हमारे दो हुए थे, आज हम ये करेंगे. Combined reference is a type of cell reference.
False.
Because it's not combined reference, it is mixed reference. It is false. Formula always begin with exclamation sign.
False.
And formula begins with which sign?
Equal
Equal to sign. Some function calculates the sum of values.
to.
True. Min function returns the largest value
False.
from a set of values. False. So which function returns the largest value?
Max.
Okay, good, very good. Ranges cannot be used in formula. False. Okay, we can use the ranges in a formula. Next is match the following. All of you had marked these?
Cancel button. 1.
Okay, first one is cancel button.
Second enter button, one third is insert function, and fourth is auto.
Anji, next second one is
Ma'am, enter button.
Okay, enter button. Third one is
Insert function.
insert function button. And fourth one,
Auto sum.
auto sum.
Autofill handle.
Okay, and this one is auto sum.
Autofill handle.
This auto sum and then autofill handle. Okay, all of you had matched them?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now this is the tricky question. Write the formulas for following. What are the formulas for the following? Here you can write the functions also and formulas also. To find the sum of cells A1 to A6 and to display the result in A7, you have to find the sum of the cells. What will you write?
Equal to sum bracket A1 colon A6. Bracket close.
Okay, one by one. I'm going to mute all of you and you will say it one by one. Okay, Hargun. Okay, Harmanpreet.
Ma'am, first
Yes, first.
equal to sum
Hmm.
bracket open A1 colon A6 bracket closed.
Okay. This one is equal to sum
Yeah.
bracket
Yes, ma'am.
A1 colon A6. To find the sum, we will use the function sum, and range is A1 colon A6. It should be given in round brackets.
Bracket.
Okay. You can also write it like this: A1 plus A2 plus A3
A3
plus
Plus
A4
A4
plus A5
plus A6
plus A5 plus A6. You can write it like this also. Actually, it is written formula. Formulas are these जो हमने ये लिखे हैं. This is formula. और ये जो हमने लिखा है yellow color में, this is your function.
function.
Okay? The question should be write the functions for following. So this is function which is a predefined formula, and जब हम is equal to के साथ एक एक cell reference use करके करते हैं तो that is your formula. So ये formula है, ये function है जो yellow color में लिखे. So question should be write the functions for following. Okay. Okay. Next is to find the average. To find the average of the cells C3 to F3. Okay. Next is Drishti.
equal to average bracket C3 colon F3 bracket close.
Okay, is equal to average C3 colon F3 bracket close. Okay. Next, similarly, to calculate the product of cells A1 to A4. For calculating the product, we have a function, product function. Like we had the sum function, we had the min function, we had max function. Similarly, to find the product, that is the multiplication of all the values in the cells, even in the range. To find the multiplication of all the cells, we will use the function product. So what will be the function? What will be the answer to this question then? Yes.
Equal to product A1 colon A4.
A4
Okay, done.
bracket 1
Is equal to product, then bracket A1 to A4. Okay. Okay, clear hai yahan tak? Okay, next is question
Yes, ma'am.
answers. Question answers. What do you mean by a formula? What do you mean by a formula?
Formulas are used to perform mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication.
Laksh, now please keep yourself mute so that I can ask other students also. Okay, we'll say the answer only when I ask you. Okay, next, what is formula? Ritisha. Yes, Ritisha, what is formula? Can you say the answer? Okay. Anmol, Jalash, Aryan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what do you mean
Can
by
I tell?
formula?
Formula is mathematical expression that include operators to evaluate the result.
Correct. A formula is a mathematical expression that includes operands and operators to evaluate the result or for doing the mathematical calculations. Okay, but give examples. Give examples. What examples will you give?
Addition, multiplication, division,
No,
subtraction.
no. This will not be example. You have to write the example of formula.
M-
You can
Ma'am,
write yes.
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am,
Yes.
equal to A1,
Hmm.
ma'am, multiplied by B1, plus
Okay.
C1. Ma'am,
Anything.
A1, B1 and C1 are operands. Ma'am, plus ma'am, multiplication sign is mathematical operator and equal to symbol.
Okay, you can write better. वो तो explain करने के लिए book में दिया हुआ है. That is okay. You can here it is asking only give example. So you can write any examples. Is equal to A1
Okay,
plus
ma'am.
B1 is equal to C3 multiplied by 5 is equal to G1 plus G2 plus G3. Okay, you can write any formula is equal to D1 divided by F1. Okay, you can write any formula is equal to use करके आपने कोई भी formula एक example देनी है. You can give any 2 examples. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is what is cell reference? What do you mean by cell reference? Arshia,
Ma'am,
what do you mean by cell reference?
Yes, ma'am.
A cell address is a cell reference.
And what do you mean?
The cell addresses in a formula are also known as cell references.
Correct. The cell address of a formula is also known as cell reference if this much is given. Or you can say cell reference is a combination of column name and row number. Cell address क्या है? That is a combination of column name and row number. अगर हमने लिखा A1 तो A is the column name, 1 is the row number. So cell reference is a combination of cell reference. You can write it. Cell reference is a combination of column name and row number. Okay. Next is names. Give its types. What are the 3 types of cell references, Sanchit? Sanchit, what are the types of cell references?
Relation, absolution, and mixed.
Okay, can you repeat it? आप ठीक बोल रहे हो. Can you repeat it loudly?
Relative and absolute and mixed.
Okay,
are the three
correct.
types.
It is not. It is relative. RELATIVE. Relative cell reference, absolute cell reference, and mixed cell reference. Okay, write the full name. Relative cell reference, absolute cell reference, and mixed cell reference. Okay, next question is, what is function? Name some functions. What is function? Okay, Jasleen, what is function?
Functions are the predefined formulas in Excel. For example, sum, average, max, min.
Correct. A function is a predefined formula in Excel. Any predefined formula is in Excel is called a function. And for example, max, min, average, sum. And whenever you give the examples of functions, always use opening and closing parentheses, brackets. Always use brackets like this. Is equal to अगर नहीं भी लिखेंगे तो चलेगा. Sum, bracket. Second reference, second example like this, max, bracket. Always give examples of function by using the brackets. Okay. Okay, what are the 2 buttons present on the formula bar? Yes, Himanshi. What are the 2 buttons present on formula bar?
Enter button, cancel button.
Correct. Enter button and cancel button. Put a stick sign in front of the enter button and put a cross symbol in front of the cancel button. ठीक है, symbol डाल के फिर लिखना enter button, then a cross symbol, that is use your cancel button. Okay, next is what explain the auto sum feature. Explain the auto sum feature. Okay, Samriddhi.
AutoSum feature contains various mathematical functions to perform different operations directly.
Okay, correct. AutoSum function has a predefined mathematical functions that can be used to perform calculations directly. Okay, AutoSum feature has some commonly used mathematical functions. AutoSum feature has predefined mathematical functions to perform different operations directly. Got it? Everybody got the answer? Okay, Garvit, did you get all the answers?
मैम फिफ्थ आंसर रिपीट कर दो.
Fifth answer. What was fifth question is?
Explain the AutoSum
AutoSum
feature of
feature.
Excel.
Explain the AutoSum feature, na?
Yes, ma'am.
The AutoSum feature has various mathematical functions that can be used to perform the operations directly. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Predefined mathematical functions are available which can be used directly to do the calculations. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hanji, everybody got all the answers now? Okay, let's revise a few things. Okay, किसी ने present exercise की है? Excel की worksheet बनाई है? Anybody who wants to share your worksheet in the class? I had given you the worksheet for players score also. Score of the players. आपको मैंने एक worksheet वो भी दी थी. Yes, Arshia, you want to share? Okay. Harmanpreet, okay, you can also share. ठीक है? After Arshia, you will share. Okay, now you can share. Series performance. Okay. Arshia, do one thing. बेटा एक तो आपने आई थिंक सबका भी वो जो वर्टिकल अलाइनमेंट है वो आपने नहीं करी है. You had done the vertical alignment only in the heading जो आपका येलो कलर में है. इसको हेडिंग्स को सेंटर अलाइन करो. सेलेक्ट द सीरियल नंबर, नेम, मैच 1, मैच 2. ठीक है, इसको डू इट इन द सेंटर अलाइन. इसी को डाउन एरो पे क्लिक करो. डाउन एरो पे, हाँ यहाँ पे सेंटर अलाइन. ठीक है, then select all the data from 1 to 98. सारा डेटा सेलेक्ट करो. Yes, make it vertical alignment as middle. Okay, now select names, only names of the players. Make it left align. This one. Yes, ऊपर ऊपर ऊपर, हाँ ये वाला. नहीं हुआ. Make it left align. Okay, why it's not happening? Okay, आपने इंडेंट दिया है. Okay, decrease indent. Do 2, 3. Okay, one more. Okay, now font size is 11. ठीक है, for all the text. Increase the font size at least up to 14. From serial number to 98, increase the font size up to 14. Okay, now go to the row height. Format, हाँ cells में row height. Okay, do it 30. Make it 30 or 25. 20. Okay, 30 will be okay then. देखो हुआ नहीं, दोबारा करो. No, don't do this. Never adjust the font, column sizes by dragging it. Okay. Let it be 30. 30 should be fine. Okay. Select the match 1, match 2, match 3, match 5. ठीक है? Up to last, maximum score तक. Maximum score तक. Now column width. Okay, make it 15. Let's check. Okay. Now do one more thing. Select total score, average score, minimum score, and maximum score headings. Now do text wrapping. Wrap text. Yes. Yes. ठीक है. Now you can increase its font row height individually. सिर्फ एक ही रो की row height करनी है, तो you can do it by dragging also, or by row height also. Both ways you can do. Make it 40. Okay. Got it? Okay, put your cursor in a total score 422. Okay, G3, C3 to G3. Okay, done. Average score? Max? Okay, done. Good. Formatting समझ आ गई? कैसे adjust करनी है? Okay,
Yes,
now you
ma'am.
can stop your share. Let's see what Harman had done. Yes, Harman? Okay. हरमन आपने हेडिंग नहीं दिया. हरमन, unmute yourself. Okay, you have given the heading. Okay.
मैम वो दिया हुआ था.
Okay, okay, got it. Same way जैसे अभी अर्शिया को मैंने फॉर्मेटिंग बताई है, आपको भी करनी है. Increase the column width of name first of all. आपने मिडल अलाइन किया हुआ है, दैट्स ओके, वो मैंने देख लिया. मिडल अलाइनमेंट आपने की है, बाकी अलाइनमेंट ओके है. नेम का कॉलम हेडिंग बड़ा करो, ड्रैग करके कर लो, चाहे ऊपर ऊपर. बी बेटा, बी और सी के बीच में
ओके
पॉइंट.
मैम.
हाँ, यस. इंक्रीज द कॉलम विड्थ. और करो, और करो, आराम से, ज्यादा कर सकते हो, काफी कर सकते हो. Okay, that's it. That's it. Now select the names of player and make them left align. Only in names, heading नहीं, heading center में रहेगा. Make it left align. All of you in the present in the class, you can see at least कि how to do the formatting. अगर आपने worksheet नहीं भी बनाई है, तो please follow the steps कि how to present your data in Excel properly. Okay. Harman, select the headings, all the headings.
मैम ऊपर वाली भी.
हाँ जी, नो सिर्फ मिनिमम तक. यस, नेक्स्ट, दैट्स इट. नाउ एक तो रैप टेक्स्ट करो. ओके, देन गिव ओनली वन कलर टू द हेडिंग. सबको अलग अलग कलर नहीं देना. गिव ओनली वन फॉन्ट कलर, एनी वन विच यू लाइक. ओके, नाउ इंक्रीज द रो हाइट बाय ड्रैगिंग बिटवीन 2 and 3. रो नंबर के बीच में, बेटा रो हेडिंग पे. हाँ, यहाँ से, यस यस. इंक्रीज द रो हाइट, और थोड़ा और. ओके, दैट्स इट. ठीक है, आपकी कॉलम विड्थ इक्वल लग रही है, बाकी सारे इक्वल हैं. ओके है. स्कोर्स इन सीरीज. आर के एक तो सीरीज के स्पेलिंग गलत है. ठीक है. दूसरा, हाँ, सिंगल इरेज कर लो एक आर. दूसरा फॉन्ट साइज थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज कर सकते हो हेडिंग का. SERIES. Okay, you can increase the font size. बेटा अभी नहीं होगा font size. हाँ, अब select करो. Yes, font size increase करो. Font size. One thing is you can increase from here. You can also use the grow font button. That will allow you to increase the font size step by step. तो you can see कि कितना चाहिए मुझे. हाँ, ऐसे. Shrink font, shrink font. Yes, that's it. That's it. Row height increase करो. Row height increase करो 1 की. Okay, that's it. Okay, good. ठीक है? Okay, stop your share. हाँ जी, everybody got it कि किस तरह से आपको present करना है डाटा. बाकी जिन बच्चों ने अभी तक एक्सेल की वर्कशीट नहीं बनाई है, they can also make it and present it in the class. Yes, आर्यन, आपने बनाई है. संचित, अनमोल, रुद्र, anybody? Yes, Jasleen, you want to ask something?
No, ma'am. I also wanted to show my Excel worksheet.
You want to present Excel worksheet?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do it. Very good. Do it. Okay. Okay, very good. अलाइनमेंट ओके है, कॉलम्स बाकी भी ओके है. सिर्फ आपका जो कॉलम का साइज है, टोटल स्कोर, एवरेज स्कोर, मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम स्कोर, राइट, इनके कॉलम्स की विड्थ सिर्फ आपको सेम करनी है बेटा. ठीक है. मैच 1, मैच 2, मैच 3, मैच 4, मैच 5, इनकी विड्थ आप एक जैसी रख सकते हो. अगर आपको एवरेज स्कोर, मैक्सिमम स्कोर की विड्थ अगर आपको थोड़ी सी ज्यादा रखनी है वो भी कर सकते हो. नहीं तो आपको मैंने अभी रैप टेक्स्ट बताया तो आप रैप टेक्स्ट कर सकते हो. यू हैव टेकन द स्क्रीनशॉट और यू आर शेयरिंग द एक्सेल विंडो.
Ma'am, sharing the Excel window.
देन डू इट. सेलेक्ट जैसे सेम अभी हरमन ने और अर्शिया ने किया है. गिव इट. हाँ, रैप टेक्स्ट कर दो इसको. मर्ज सेंटर के ऊपर बटन है. हाँ, ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. अभी नहीं होगा क्योंकि ऑलरेडी तुमने कॉलम का साइज इंक्रीज किया हुआ है. इट इज नॉट. हाँ, जब आप इसको छोटा करोगे तो इट विल डू. ठीक है. अबे आप सेलेक्ट करो ऑल द कॉलम. सेलेक्ट करके 15 दे दो. कॉलम विड्थ 15 दे दो. नहीं, सारे नहीं, ओनली मैच 1 से लेके मिनिमम तक.
Okay.
मैच 1 से लेके मिनिमम तक. हाँ जी. नाउ गिव द कॉलम विड्थ. कॉलम विड्थ, फॉर्मेट सेल्स ग्रुप, कॉलम विड्थ. ओके. ओके, ठीक है. अगर 15 कम लग रही है आपके वो रेजोल्यूशन के अकॉर्डिंगली तो यू कैन गिव इट 25. इंक्रीज कर सकते हो.
Okay.
यस. ठीक है. क्लियर है?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ओके, बाकी सारा ओके है बेटा आपका. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, यू कैन स्टॉप द शेयर. हाँ जी, एवरीबडी गॉट कि किस तरह से आपको फॉर्मूलाज और फंक्शंस लगाने हैं और कैसे आपको अपनी शीट को फॉर्मेट करना है. सबको समझ आ गया? Okay, in the next class, from the next class, we will start with next chapter, charts in MS Excel. Okay.